Hello everyone, welcome to see our SOYAL e-learning. Today's topic is AR-721H. We classify 4 parts to teach everyone today. The first part, about. First, why should we use access control? Concerning to the security, many users would use our controller to limit access to facilities in houses, commercial buildings, and the community. What's more, using our controllers has not only the access control function, but also time and attendance function. It's very convenient for a company to calculate the salary. Second, what is the difference between EM and MyFair? EM and MyFair are two common frequencies used for the controller. EM is 125 kHz. MyFair is 13.56 MHz. Compared to MyFair, EM is easily duplicated. Its safety level is lower than MyFair. About MyFair, its chips comply with ISO 14443A, so it could be used for the highly secure requirement project. But the reading reaction in poor environment, EM frequency, is relatively better than MyFair. And here, we could see how to distinguish the frequency of our AR-721H controller. There are stickers on PCB board of each controller. If you see the controller name on sticker is 721HB, B means EM frequency, and you will not see any words on the front cover of AR-721H. And if you see the controller name on sticker is 721HD, D means MyFair, and you will see the word MyFair, M-I-F-A-R-E, on the front cover of our AR-721H controller. Third, what is the difference between control mode M4, M6, and M8? Our controller has 3 kinds of control mode, M4, M6, and M8, and it has specific functions and conditions of each mode. Therefore, before you operate the device, please select a suitable control mode for your system. Here is the comparison chart of Mode 4 and Mode 6 and Mode 8. M4 mode and M8 mode are very similar. Both of them could support standalone or networking mode, and their user capacity is 1024 people, which is lower than the M6 mode. The user capacity of M6 mode could reach to 65,535 people. The differences between M4 and M8 is the access mode. When the controller is under mode 4, access mode is card and pin. The pin would only need to enter 4 digits. However, if user choose the access mode, card or pin, user should enter 9 digits to the reader. The front 5 pin is user address, and the last 4 pin is the individual pin. When the controller is under M8 mode, and the access mode is card and pin, or card or pin, the pin of both access types would only need to enter 4 digits. As for Mode 6, seldom people would use this mode because it's only for standalone mode. Usually, it would be applied when the project has lots of users. It could support over 60,000 users at once. But under the Mode 6, you could not have the function like events capacity and holiday. First, the indicator of LED light and the function of button. At the correct status, the LED indicates green light. At the wrong status, the LED indicates red light. LED blinks constantly when operates in standby mode. In entering programming mode, it will blink quickly. The keypad. The pound means enter. When you execute the command, you need to press pound to enter. The second part, install. Please confirm the content in box first. There are reader, user guide, Allen key and screws, P1 wire, P2 wire, P3 wire, P4 wire, inside the box. Installation steps. There are 2 ways of installation. We could see the animation first. There are 4 steps of type 1. 1. Screw the mounting plate on the wall by screwdriver. 2. Withdraw cable through the hole of mounting plate and connect to the reader. 3. Screw the front cover tightly by the signal wrench. 4. Turn on the power and LED will light. Beep will sound. Type 2. The same. We could see the animation first. There are 5 steps of type 2. 1. Screw the mounting plate on the wall by screwdriver. 2. Blow the below hole of front cover. 3. Withdraw cable through the hole of mounting plate and connect to the reader. 4. Screw the front cover tightly by hexagonal wrench. 5. Turn on the power and LED will light. Beep will sound. Installation diagram. Please notice that different frequency of 721H controller has different diagram. And here you could see the diagram of EM frequency. And here we could notice that the P3, the connection of RS485 of EM frequency is on the left side. And here you can see the MyFair frequency diagram. And here we could notice that the P3 connection RS485 is on the right side of MyFair frequency. It's different from the EM frequency. And here we could see the diagram for 721H controller to connect with other equipment like multi-door controller, lock, push button, or alarm speaker. Installation notice. First, tubing. The communication wires and power line should not host in the same tubing. They should be installed in separate tubes. Second, cable selection. We need to use the good materials of wires, like AWG 22 to 24 shorted twisted pair, and avoid star wiring. Third, power supply. Do not connect the reader and lock to the same power supply, because lock activation may cause reader's power unstable and cause the reader unfunctional. And door relay and the lock should use the same power when it's connected and external relay. And the last one, our reader should use an independent power supply.